Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your folder icons in Windows and how to make your folders or desktop look more beautiful and more engaging. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so for example I have this folder, you can see. So here you can see that these are some plain looking icons and I want to change it into a better view. So first I will go to more options, properties, customize. Okay, you can see change icon, and suppose this is camera, so I can select any of the icon which I like this, for example this. Okay, apply. Okay, see, now the folder has changed. Okay, so now I'm going to do some sample folder change so that you can understand. Like, then properties, advanced, sorry, customize, change icon. Now okay, so for important I think star looks fine. And one more thing is that you can also download the folders or icon from the internet as whatever you like. Okay, see, and for now music, change icon. For music I'm gonna keep this looks nice. Okay, yeah. Now for print. Okay, so we need something print. And let me tell you one more thing is that these icons are by default present in every Windows operating system, so you don't have to worry. I think there are plenty of them, but if still you need any other, you can download from internet and they are available for free. Okay, this looks fine for printer. Okay, now if you see, these folders looks much better than this plain boring folder. Okay, perfect. So guys, like you can see in the screen that these folders are much more looking better, and you can make it look more attractive and download from the internet. Thank you.